In this video, I'll show you how to save a Google Doc to files on your iPhone. So let's just open Google Docs and then open any document that you like. Now what you have to do is tap on three dots from the top right corner and then tap on share and export. Now from here, tap on send a copy. So just tap here and then select a format, either PDF or Word. So I'm just going to select a Word doc and then tap on OK. Now it's going to prepare that file, and once it's ready, you will see the save option. As you can see, save to files. Now just tap here and then tap on save, and the document will be saved to your files. Now if we go and open up our files app, we can see that the document is now in our files app. And that is how you can save Google Docs to files on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.